up, beautiful people? Today I have 10 things you can do during self-quarantine. Number 1 is to clean your area. I don't know if your place is dirty or not, but I know that mine wasn't the cleanest. So with a clean environment, you will be able to focus so much better, and it'll just be that nice, refreshed feeling. You won't even trip on stuff either. Having a clean home or even just a clean space can even lower your stress and fatigue. Number 2 is to bring out your old games. You can relive your childhood. Bring out your Xbox, your PS2, your PSP, or whatever. For me, I brought out my Wii, and I put on my Michael Jackson Just Dance game. And let me tell you, by the end of this thing, I was sweating so much. I would play the entire clip for you. However, I will get copyrighted, so instead I'll just sing it. Beat it! Just kidding, you thought. Number 3 is to watch TV. But in this case, rewatch your past concerts, because that stuff can get you emotional, bring you back to the good days, you know what I'm saying? For me, I put on my BTS concert September 9th, 2018. If you know BTS or if you freaking love BTS, let me know down in the comments. Also, if you're too much in your feels, it is okay to cry. Number 4 is to learn something new. In this case, I chose to learn a new language, which is Korean, but there are so many benefits of learning another language. For example, you're opening new doors with different types of people. Do you know that learning a new language actually boosts your brain power, helps improve your memory, sharpens the mind, and allows you to be a better multitasker? Give it a few hours of studying, or 30 minutes, or however much time you can give to it. If you don't want to study a different language, study something else. Study for your classes, or even pick up another instrument. If you are learning a different language, try to test yourself and see how much you know, how much you can speak. 저는 나이지리아 사람이에요. 저는 20살이에요. 대학생이에요. 나의 한국어는 나쁘습니다. 근데 한국어 너무 재밌어요. Number 5 is to get a good workout in. You don't even have to go outside. You can just find somewhere on a carpet, in your room, in your living room, and go. There are a lot of good sources on YouTube, on Instagram. You can even just Google different workouts. And it's okay if you're not good at it, because guess what? No one is watching you. You are your own competition. Also, when this quarantine is over, you can be looking poppin', fine as heck, man. And everyone's gonna be like, what happened to you? You'd be like, I blew up. Number 6, try learning a new dance routine. Trust me, learning a dance routine, if you're not too great at learning, takes a few hours. That will definitely occupy your time. Challenge yourself, whether it's Nat Stefanina's choreography or people who you look up to, like BTS. They got some nice dances, man. Stay tuned for my on dance cover. Number 7, do your nails, because most of the time, when you look good, you feel good too. My nails were actually made out of polygel, not acrylic. And again, when you look good, you feel good too. Number 8, a second part to the self-care is to try a sheet mask. Korean masks are actually pretty popular right now. The one I have is by the brand Bio Bell, and it's called Perfect Radiance with chocolate, mulberry, and honey. That actually sounds like a dessert, to be honest. Like, it smelled really good too. After you take it out of the packaging and apply the sheet mask to your face, you're going to go ahead and pat it in till at least most of the white spots are gone and it looks closer to your skin color. And then you're going to leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. This ranges depending on which brand you're using. So mine right here was 15 minutes. After those 15 minutes are up, you're going to want to pop that solution into your skin to help your body absorb it. Number 9 is to pick up a good book. We spend a lot of time on social media, on Snapchat, Instagram, even YouTube, but sometimes it's nice to give our eyes a little bit of a break from the screens and just try something different and to find some really good stories out there, whether it's fiction, non-fiction, sci-fi. In fact, reading is a great way to find out words you don't know. You can form a vocabulary list with the new words that you've learned and incorporate it into your daily language. Number 10, spend some time with your furry friend. They probably missed you from all the time you went to school or to work and left them at home. Appreciate every moment that you have with them, because for them, you are their entire life. You can take them for a walk, you can play with them, find a recipe online for dog treats and try it out, or you can even try grooming your own dog or cat too. Whatever it is, I'm sure that they enjoy spending time with you. Now this concludes our video. So if you liked it, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.